Now first off, we need to open up the trunk. Now once the trunk is open, right there behind the light over there, that's where the fabric cover is. We need to get that off, so simply grab the cover and pull it out. It's 4 flaps over there. Yep, now it's off. Now right there, that gray bulb holder, that's the one for the rear turn signal. We're gonna get it out. In order to do so, we need to grab the bulb holder and twist it left. Right, just twist it left, and you may have to wiggle a little bit to get it out, and just be patient with it. It may take a few seconds. Once you get the bulb holder out, that's the bulb right there. In order to get the bulb out, all you have to do is just grab the bulb holder, grab the bulb, and simply pull it out. Yep, just like that. That's the bulb right there. Let's take a closer look at it. It's got 2 filaments inside it, and the bulb replacement size is right there on it. It's 3157, 3157A. A stands for amber, 3157A. That's the replacement bulb type. So get the new bulb now. All we have to do is just put the bulb in the bulb holder. See, if it doesn't go in like it is not going over here, get the bulb out, turn it around 180 degrees, right? And now push it in, and it should click in place. Done. Now let's put the bulb holder back into the light. When you're doing so, just note the position of the wire. See how it is? So that's what the position of the bulb holder should be. Once you do that, it's going to sit flush in the light, right? And once it's sitting flush, twist it right, locked in place. And now let's not forget to put that fabric cover back on. It goes on in the way that's such that like the center flaps, the wings, they sort of stick out. The other stuff goes in. All right. Yeah, just be patient with it. It's going to take about 20 seconds. Now let's try out the lights. That looks good, and that's pretty much it.